Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. What type of proof is necessary in a guardianship proceeding? Thank you for being here today. The best part of the day, the part where I get to answer this specific question: what type of proof is necessary in an Article 81 guardianship proceeding? So I have the statute opened on my computer, and I'll start with a sentence from the statute. A determination that the appointment of a guardian is necessary for a person alleged to be incapacitated shall be made only after a hearing. That sentence is indicative of all of the sentences in Article 81. I read it, I'm like, what does that really say? Well, the guardianship proceeding is when one person files to be the guardian of the other, and what they allege is that this person has an incapacity. They're not able to handle their own affairs, right? So the burden of proof is on the person that's the petitioning person, right? They create the document, they file it with court, it's a petition. And the burden of proof is on that person, that's the petitioner, and the burden of proof and the quantum of proof is clear and convincing. And you have to convince a judge after a hearing that the person is incapacitated. It's a legal definition, and that can be done by, first of all, the allegations in the petition and presentment of witnesses, evidence, expert testimony, and by a clear and convincing evidence, cumulatively, you demonstrate to the court that the person is in fact in need of a guardian. So, like many things in the law, it's a little bit circular. What you're trying to prove is what you're alleging. And then the alleged incapacitated person can defend. They can say that they need a lawyer. They could be maybe intermittently competent, perhaps lucid on occasion. And if that's the case, they may, in fact, challenge the petition. That's why it's the judge will make the determination after a hearing only if she or he is satisfied that the burden has been met by a clear and convincing standard. Right? And we have three standards of proof in the courts of law. There's the one that you see on TV all the time, LA Law, and Suits, and I don't know, any other television legal program that you see that's beyond a reasonable doubt. That occurs in the criminal courts only, criminal supreme or criminal court. In the civil arena, it's a fair preponderance of the evidence, maybe about, on a scale just a little bit more, 51%. And then the standard that we have in the Article 81 arena is clear and convincing. If you would like to speak to me about this, if you think any one of your friends or your family might benefit from having a conversation about guardianship, please reach out to me. FrankBrunoLaw.com. Thank you.